So, all right, what we're going to do today, the question on deck is dating sites, right? That's the topic for today. What dating sites do I need to be on? Is dating sites the move? What is the direction that we need to go into? Man, it is millions of women out here on these streets every day. What in the fuck are you trying to communicate with her in the digital space for? We already know about catfishing and all the other trickery that go on with trying to meet somebody impersonally. So think about to yourself why you really trying to meet somebody without really meeting them. Because you don't even believe in yourself. You don't even think you probably handsome enough or you rich enough or you got enough status to go out here in the flesh and run up on these women with your tongue game in order, with your swag on deck. You want to try and trick her and pull her in with a nice quote that you done sat around and thought of, or you done compiled the right profile for you to go on this site because you done checked all these other people's profiles and putting fake pics up and women doing all this crazy shit. You picking her. She don't even look like that, but you chasing this picture that you seeing on the site, man. Get the hell off these dating sites, man. Get out in the world. Live. That's the only thing that's going to ever truly be attractive to a woman is your life, your experience, what you have been in, your swag, how you move. She got to smell you. That's right. You need to have on some smell goods. You need to have yourself clean. You ain't got to be in no brand name shit. Have on no tuxedos and all of this flash shit or just, whatever gear niggas is wearing. You just need to be focused on what you bring into the table. You're going to hear me say that again and again and again on this podcast. What are you bringing to the table? Because if you understand what you bring into the table, you're going to find somebody that compliments you. Most times y'all out here, man, y'all not looking for nobody to compliment you. You are lost in your desires. You a half-ass nigga, but you want this dime to be on your arm. You want this broad with this fat ass on your arm, but you have no clue what it take to keep this woman on your arm. You just want to get her. You want to be seen with her. And that's some sucker shit right there. That's niggas living for the gram. You want to get her for 10 minutes, take your pic with her, and post the shit on Instagram so niggas think you out here pulling. That ain't the move. Get out here, get on these streets, get in your life. What circles are you moving in? If you're a musician, moving in musician circles, you ain't got to necessarily look for another musician. Look for a music lover. You out there on stage performing, you doing whatever, whether it's you artist, music, whatever it is that you doing. Look for somebody that enjoy that. Because in y'all relationship, y'all gonna have to unite with each other. If you traveling all over the world doing music and all this shit, and you fucking with this homebody woman that don't leave the state where she from, y'all relationship is destined to end prematurely. Because it was a forced relationship in the beginning. And that's another phrase that you're going to hear me saying on this podcast. Relationship means relay. What is a relay? In a race, when we talking track, relay is someone starting off and they're giving their complete effort, but then they pass the baton to the next person. So in a relationship between you and somebody else, y'all have to relate. Y'all have to have an exchange. It can't be you sitting at home thinking about all the things that you want. Oh, she got to look like this. She got to be like this. She got to think like this. She got to do all of this. That person that you describing in your mind don't exist. You got to get out here in the real world and find the people that you can have true exchange with, that you can relay with. If you into some wild shit and you want a menage and you want to be a polygamist and have all these bras, then go ahead and do it. But you got to be upfront with the women about it. You trying to trick them into it. You trying to get her hooked on you and get her to fall in love with you and all of this bullshit. Then you want to come back with the, oh no, but I already got 2 other gals that I'm married to. You want to be the third one. And then want to know why the shit turned into chaos as soon as them words cross your lips. We ain't being sincere out here. So whatever it is that you looking for, you got to be sincere. And you can't be sincere with somebody on a dating app. Because the point you on there is that you want it. You ain't on a dating app to truly find somebody that you compatible with. You want somebody. And you want them today. You ain't trying to wait no time. People picking up their phone every 5 minutes. Seeing, did somebody like me? Did somebody swipe left on me or swipe right on me? Come on, man. Let's be realistic with ourselves out here, fellas. Y'all playing a game with yourself. And that's what this podcast is going to be about. More times than that, is pointing out the game that y'all niggas is playing with yourself. And then you want to transfer that game over to her and wonder why you still alone on this site looking for somebody. You done missed the most crucial point of the whole thing. Why are you doing what you doing? Why are you searching for anything to begin with? It ain't because you ain't happy with yourself. If you ain't happy with yourself, who the fuck gonna be happy with you? So let's think about these things, man. And I'll get back at y'all the next time, man. What women want. Holla.